We're here at CES 2012 talking about some of the new applications that are available for BlackBerry and some of the new features that are available for PlayBook with PlayBook OS 2.0. We've got Michael Cluley here with us, Senior Software Product Manager for BlackBerry PlayBook, and he's going to show us some of the new communications features that are available in this new software update coming in February. PlayBook OS 2.0 incorporates a lot of powerful communications features into the PlayBook feature set. What are some of the things that users are going to notice first about OS 2.0?
Right, Jeff. First up, I'd like to show you the built-in messaging application. First of all, here we have our messaging application, which shows all rich HTML email for this. But not only is it just a great email client, but it also allows you to have all of your email accounts integrated into one location. So not only do I have my work email, but I have all my personal email messages, my social messages all in one application. I can click through that, see the rich text email, and get into that content. In addition to that, we've extended the power of the PlayBook multitasking into the email client itself. So now I can compose multiple email messages and also go back to my inbox and continue to read that content while I go back and forth between my tasks.
Now, one of the other things that I noticed about the unified inbox is that you can actually send things like Twitter and LinkedIn messages right from the inbox. How does that work?
Correct. So I have my compose window down here. I can now click on that to see my additional social accounts that I've integrated and pick one of those accounts and send messages directly from that. So I can now send a direct Twitter message from the PlayBook.
That's great. I think you hit on a really important point here about OS 2.0. It makes the PlayBook experience really social. Can you tell us a little bit about how we've extended this deep social integration to other applications like the built-in calendar or contacts app?
Excellent point, Jeff. So what I have here is my contacts application, and it's more than just a contacts application. It's a social hub of communication. In the contacts application, I have my contacts here, but it's also gone and merged my contacts intelligently. So I have you as a friend on LinkedIn, and I also follow you on Twitter. From that, it's merged that information into one profile to give me the same view as you, because I don't think about you in multiple areas. I want to know who Jeff is all in one spot, and it gives me that information. So now I can get status updates about you from the internet directly, live, real time.
So keeping with this theme of deep integration, can you tell us about some of the new things that we're doing in the calendar application with OS 2.0?
Right, so in the calendar, we have our standard calendar view here. So you got your month view, you have your agenda. You can also swap over to a quick day view to see what your day is like on an hour-by-hour basis. But from that, I can go into an appointment here, and I can see that I have a lunch meeting with you and Alex. But what's great about this is not only do I get to see that information, but I get that same information that was in the contact cards that we saw in the contacts application. So now I get the great social integration from within the calendar as well, so I know who I'm meeting with before I even jump into that meeting with them.
So you kind of get like a people view of your day. You can organize your day and your schedule around the people you're meeting with, not just the meetings that you're having.
Exactly, exactly. And the last great feature I want to talk about in the calendar is this concept we call growing numbers. So as a BlackBerry user who likes to get things done, I'm able to quickly glance at my calendar, see what days are busy, see what days are free, make a decision by that, and then action that.
And that's the fact that some of the numbers on the calendar are bigger than others, right? So I'm guessing, if I just had to take a guess here, that the larger numbers are busier days and the smaller numbers are like light days?
You got it, Jeff. The bigger the number, the more you got going on.
Thanks, Mike. So those are just a few of the new features that we're introducing in PlayBook OS 2.0 that are going to help you to communicate more effectively using the BlackBerry PlayBook tablet. We've got lots more coming on PlayBook OS 2.0, so stay tuned to the Inside BlackBerry blog throughout the week.